Hey guys, I'm Hershey, welcome back. Okay, so in this video, we will discuss the benchmarks of Acer Predator Helios 300 RTX 2060 variant. After watching this, you will get an idea how the 2020 version performs. Yes, it's the 2019 one, but the video is gonna be interesting. Don't leave it. I guess you are willing to do so. Anyway, at last, we will also compare it with HP Omen 15 2020 Ryzen 7 Plus RTX 2060 variant to get an idea how it performs. And should we purchase this laptop for like 1 lakh to 1,10,000 rupees? The credit of this video goes to Tejas. He did a really detailed testing for me and created a really good file. So for that, do like and share this video and consider subscribing to this channel for further updates. This laptop comes with Intel Core i7 9th Gen with base 2.4 GHz clock speed, paired with NVIDIA GeForce RTX 2060 6GB GDDR5 graphics card. It has 16GB DDR4 266 MHz dual channel RAM, 1TB HDD, 256GB NVMe SSD. In terms of display, it has got a 17.3-inch IPS display with 72% NTSC coverage, 300 nits brightness, 144 Hz refresh rate with 3 millisecond response time. First, let us talk about the room temperature in which it was tested and some issues. So, it was tested in 18 degrees Celsius room temperature and the maximum temperature experienced was 75 degrees Celsius. Only one issue was faced, which is coil whining. Coil whining is basically a sound and it is directly audible to us. The sound is produced by the fans which goes away at higher RPM. This problem was earlier reported by many others too. Now let us start talking about the benchmarks. Under default fan speed, the CPU was able to score 1167 single core and 5116 multi-core points in Geekbench 5. On the other hand, the GPU scored 72692 OpenCL score. In Cinebench R15, the GPU scored 127.29 FPS and the CPU scored 1160 points and 177 single core points. In Cinebench R20, CPU has scored 2386 points and 439 single core points. At last, the GPU has scored 150 FPS and 3778 score in Unison Heaven 4.0. Now let's talk about how the laptop performed in turbo mode. The CPU scored 1163 single core and 5730 multi-core points, and the GPU scored 76362 score in Geekbench 5. In Cinebench R20, the GPU scored 128.26 FPS and CPU scored 1174 points and 179 single core points. In Cinebench R20, the CPU scored 2486 points and 441 single core points. At last, we have Unison Heaven score, which is 4221 and 167.6 FPS. I would again like to thank Tejas. He has worked really hard. Now let us compare this laptop with HP Omen 15 2020 RTX 2060 and Ryzen 7 variant. We will ultimately get an idea whether it's a good deal for 1,05,000 rupees or not. It was purchased way back in Feb 2020 for 1.2 lakhs. We can get the idea by just comparing the Cinebench R20 scores on max fan speed of both of the laptops. Predator has scored 2486 points, whereas Omen has scored 4186 points. Now comes the Unison Heaven scores. HP Omen has scored 119.7 FPS, 3016 points, whereas Predator has scored 4221 points and 167.6 FPS, and of course, it surpasses Omen. Now the point is, should you purchase it? Yes, you should probably purchase it, but only if you want ray tracing and other RTX features. Cause there is very less gap between GTX 1660 Ti and RTX 2060. And for 1,05,000 rupees, we also have HP Omen 15 2020, which has GTX 1660 Ti and Ryzen 5. So If you don't want that much of gaming, ray tracing and all these things, then you may go with it. Anyways, that is it for today guys. Hope you liked the video. Don't forget to drop a like and share it. Will help me a lot. Also, instead of just disliking and running away, kindly mention why you did so. Thank you, signing off.